Hi, thank you for coming to my YouTube channel once again. I'm really grateful that you're here. My name is Patrick and I'm the graphic designer behind this very channel that you see, Patrimia Digital. On Patrimia Digital, my goal is to showcase you how everything that goes into building a design business, as well as helping you to improve your skill set in design. I'll also be sharing with you other personal things that has to do with how the business has affected my growth and how customers relate with us, especially when it comes to us as designers. I want you to join me on this journey in building what a vibrant community with design as our core focus. Thank you for coming to my channel once again, and I hope that you join this community. Thank you.